Want to sell custom merch on TikTok using Printify? In this quick guide, I will show you how to seamlessly connect your TikTok shop to Printify so you can start selling your print on demand products in no time. And for now, let's jump right in. Set up your TikTok shop. First, if you haven't already, create a TikTok shop account by visiting the Seller Center at seller.tiktokglobalshop.com. Choose your region, sign up with your business or personal info, and complete the verification process. Make sure your business address and bank details are accurate, and please put all the real data of yours. Do not try to put any fake data. Step number 2 is to create your Printify account. Next, head over to printify.com and create your free account. Once you're inside, you can browse thousands of print on demand products, shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Step number 3, set up a Shopify store. Here's the key: TikTok Shop doesn't directly integrate with Printify. You will need to use Shopify as the bridge. Set up a Shopify store, then connect your Printify account to Shopify using the Printify app in the Shopify App Store. Step 4, connect TikTok Shop to Shopify. Now connect your TikTok shop to your Shopify store in Shopify. Install the TikTok app, log in into your TikTok shop account, and sync the product catalog, approve permissions, and complete the channel setup. Step 5, publish products and start selling. Back in Printify, design your products and publish them to Shopify. Once synced, your products will automatically appear in your TikTok shop. From there, you can tag them in videos or run ads directly. And that is it. In just a few steps, your Printify products can be live on TikTok. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.